Good evening, everyone. I am Aman, Assistant Professor in Chemistry at Modern Group of Colleges. Today I am here to introduce you with the world of chemistry. But before going to start this video, let's have a look at the contents of this video. So here is the contents. In this video, you will learn about the chemistry, little bit introduction to chemistry, then what is the types of chemistry, how it is important it in our daily life. Now next is the chromatography as a major area of chemistry. There are the various kinds of areas in chemistry that is widely used, but one of them is chromatography. So we will also discuss about it in this video. And what is the lab technique of chromatography, we will also give a look about it. So let's start. First of all, what is chemistry? Chemistry is a branch of science which deals with the composition, properties, and activity of organic and inorganic substances and various elementary forms of matter. Or you can also say that branch of science that deals with structure of substances and what happens to them at different conditions. Different conditions, like you can say that at different temperatures and different pressures, what happened with that is chemistry. Okay. Then next is there are the various kinds of types or branches of the chemistry. One is organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry, then biochemistry, and last is analytical chemistry. So what is organic chemistry? Organic chemistry is that branch of chemistry which deals with carbon compounds. And then inorganic chemistry deals with the synthesis of organometallic compounds. All the synthesis or preparation of organometallic compounds comes under this branch. Next is physical chemistry. Physical chemistry is concerned with applications and techniques and theories of chemical systems. Next is biochemistry. Biochemistry deals with the living organisms and chemical processes, the relation between the chemical processes within and related how it is related to living organisms, that comes under the biochemistry. Next is analytical chemistry. What is analytical chemistry? It is a study of instruments and their uses. Like there are the various kind of instruments in our labs, so how we can handle that, what are the uses of those instruments, that all is comes under this analytical branch. Okay. Next is the importance of chemistry in our daily life. As we know that chemistry is all around us, then so how it is important in our daily life? It is important, like everything you do is a chemistry. Even your body is made up of chemicals, right? Chemical reactions occurs when you eat, when you breathe, but anything that you can do, there is a chemistry, right? So chemistry explains how food changes as you cook your food, how ingredients interact to make your food, right? So next is chemistry in daily life also. You use chemistry when you use soaps, bleaches, etc. You uses your dishwashers, your cleansers, how they are made, they are all made up of the chemicals. Sometimes you can read the composition of the anything, take any product, read the composition, there is a various kinds of chemicals present in that. So what's that? That is chemistry, right? So besides all the types of chemistry, the most widely used one is analytical branch. Okay, there are the various practical applications inside it, and there is one major area of analytical chemistry that is important in their application to diverse the scientific disciplines, and that is chromatography. What is chromatography? It is a technique of separation of a mixture by passing it in solution through a medium with which the components move at different rates. Okay. There are also various kinds of chromatographic techniques. Now, chromatography is a separation technique, but again here is also further kinds of techniques under this, and the one major which is used widely in the pharmaceutical industries, also in our labs, also in our study, that is paper chromatography. What is paper chromatography? This is a diagram you can see here. This is the laboratory experimental technique for the performance of paper chromatography. So what you can do to perform it? First of all, take a small volume of a solution, okay, as a mixture to be separated and placed a spot on a paper or a strip and allow to dry. Then after some time, place it in a chamber which contains a mixture of distilled water and some isopropyl alcohol. Then after some time, the solvent is moved through the paper. Okay, then you will observe the components of the samples will separate rapidly. In the first figure you can see that there is a ink spot, right? In this ink there is the composition of two mixtures. There is a mixture of two uh, compounds or components, you can say that. Okay, then after the separation in the second figure, where is the end point, you can say that the two different colors or different colors of inks is separated along the paper, along the length of the paper. So you can say that from down to upward there is a various colors that is separated according to their polarity. So this is a technique of paper chromatography through which we can come to know the unknown compound which is present inside the mixture. Okay, this is all about the process of paper chromatography. That's why it is also used in the pharmaceutical area to know the unknown sample inside our material that we have to use, or through which we can proceed our experiment. This is a very useful type of chromatography. That's it. Thank you.